Hey, you guys, we back another hair review. Okay. Now, look, I'm super hyped. Yes, I'm doing my review on my bed. I'm chilling, y'all. I'm chilling. But I've been beasting to get hair like this and to install it. So I was going to purchase hair like this because I was going to wear them as like clip-ons. But this company hit me up and I was like, yeah, sir. So we got, it comes with a wig cap. We like that. And what we have is 3 bundles of that Kinky straight hair. Now, Kinky straight hair goes good with me when my hair is blown out. If my hair is flat iron, I'm a Yaki straight. And only Yaki straight is good when I'm in the winter time, or you know, like when it's cold, because during the summertime my Yaki straight, it will be Yaki straight hair and Kinky straight hair. So yeah, so I could do Yaki straight in the winter time because there's no humidity. But anyway, let's get into this hair. They sent me 18, 20, and 22 bits. Like, oh, okay. Let's open her. Feel her out. See what she's giving. I'm excited. I'm gonna do a traditional sew-in with this hair, but I'm gonna wash it first. I was gonna wash it and just do the sew-in, but I want to try to see the hair firsthand and stuff like that. She smells like regular hair. Oh, you see that luster? OMG. And the roots, from root to tip, we're good. Look at that. Look at the ends. Look at the ends. I am so excited because this for me is in right now. Like the Kinky straight, the Yaki straight is in. It's going to match my hair completely. This one is the 20-inch. So if we doing 20, that's long. I'm so excited. Shout out to this company right here. I'm so happy. The link will be down below. And it's going to be a part 2 where I install this hair. But I just want to try to see this hair just catch the wave. Like, it's the tips is just so nice. It's not like shaggy. It's not, I don't have to cut it extra. That is just beautiful. I'm just going to take them all off so y'all can see them together. Okay. Do you see them all together? This is going to be full. Do I know if I'm going to use all 3 bundles? I might use 2.5 so it could look natural. But if I want to do 3, I'm going to do 3. Look at this. It's so nice. It's so full. Can you see me? Peekaboo. It's so super soft. Got a little bit of shedding. Can barely see it. Yeah, just 1 or 2 strands. You see it right there. I'm excited. Ooh. Luster. Look at the luster. Catch it. Catch the drip. Catch the drip. And the hair's only bent like this because it's been in a package, but I'm excited. Stay tuned for part 2. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Wow.